so it looks like we have a bunch of different booklets. It's clearly like a cop feel. Must have been the theme. Okay. Crime scene photographer. Wonder if they're all going to be like themed differently, like as a different part of the crime scene team. Bin. I was gonna say definitely a cop. Definitely his vibe. That jacket. Hyunjin. I heard he might have cut his hair short. I'm so sad. I was really loving his long hair. It was sad not to see him in Kingdom. Ugh. But Stray Kids still did an amazing job. I love during Kingdom, everyone was like shocked at how much of a versatile Han is. Oh look, it's the 80s hourglass. I have the exact same one. But he definitely is an all-rounder. Like, amazing singer, rapper, performer, like, oh. And Felix, oh, mine got a little ripped at the bottom. Felix, no. But it looks like he's wearing almost like a purple contact. Like I'm almost getting like a purpley red vibe. Or maybe it's just like how the light's hitting it for me. But oh, I love his freckles. They make me feel better. Because I have freckles too, and I've always hated them. Oh, Felix. Definitely more Sherlock Holmes era vibe with this outfit. I know they're all in the exact same location, but outfits can definitely give off different time period vibes. And our last booklet of IN. Love the hair color. Love the bow tie too. I love bow ties. Ah. Alright, so that's all of the photo books. Let's go ahead and slide them back in. There we go. All our booklets. And then this is probably going to be a postcard set, special photo ticket set. Alright. Bang John. Let's zoom in for ya. Ooh, look at the back. So shiny. It's all gold. Oh, they all have different pictures on the back. Let me see if I can, because you probably can't even see it. Maybe that's like their job. The picture all is on the back. Alright. Well, that is everything. No need to open the second photo book one, because I'll probably just end up selling it sealed since there was nothing special inside. But there it is. The 3 cards I got, pre-order cards as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next one, bye guys.